Hi, this is Christina, and I'm here from 3 Under 4. Tonight, I'm teaching you some new signs. We're going to start learning about animals. So tonight, the first 5 animals that we are going to learn are some farm animals. And the sign for farm is like this. You take an open hand and put it on your chin and run it across your chin. So it's going to look like this, farm. So if we were going to a farm, what animals would we see? We would most definitely see a cow, and I bet we'd see a horse. I think we'd see some chickens. That's kind of like a bird up here that pecks at the ground, just like a chicken does. We'd see a sheep, which I always think of my arm as the sheep's body, and then you take 2 fingers, like scissors, and you shear the sheep. So you make a sign for sheep. I bet you we'd see a goat. You know, because goats have those little tufts of hair here and tufts of hair here, so goats. We might see a pig. Maybe. It all depends on which farm we're going to. So let's review those 5 signs. 6 signs. Can't count today. There's a cow, horse, sheep, goat, pig, and chicken. That's all. I hope you have a great week, and I will see you later. Bye-bye now.